Hello guys, my name is Nancy Hernandez.
And I'm Susanna Espinosa.
Today we're going to explain to you how to use the application EdPuzzle. This is a great application for teachers to use when they want to access and monitor students' progress outside of the classroom.
So the first thing you're going to do is going to log into EdPuzzle. You will either log in or sign up, and I'm going to log in as a teacher.
As you can see, there is a lot of videos and activities that you can access in this application. For example, you can see that we have YouTube videos. You can base your lessons on YouTube videos. You can also do it on TED Talks and Crash Courses. There are animated videos for students. For us, since we already have a video that we want to do, we will just go to My Content and choose the video that we want to do. And we will click Edit.
So for the video we chose, you can crop the video if you don't want the students to see part of the video. You can do a voiceover over the video, and you can do audio notes and quizzes. So I'm going to play the video. And I think this is a good point to add a quiz question. And you just basically click on the question mark, and then you are going to type your question.
So we want to ask them how many pennies are equals a dime, since that's what the video explained. And you will click Save.
And so then you continue watching the video. There's a helpful rhyme. 10 pennies equal a dime. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pennies or 5 dimes. You can mix and match, and that's just fine. And then this is where we ask another question. You may ask as many questions as you want, or in between the video you can add any of these other ones. So then you will then save the video and then click Finish. I created a class named Math, and I would click on that, and then I would set a due date for my students, and I'm just going to allow them to turn it in until tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So then you would save it and assign it. Then you are going to share the assignment with your students, and you will copy the link, and this is the link that you will give to your students.
And we're going to show you what the students will see if they take the web link and then put it in their computers.
So then this is their video, and they can view it, and they can see that it is due February 26th. So then as the teacher, you can go back and see how your students are doing and how they're
processing on their learning. And you just go back, and then you go to My Classes, and you will click on the video, and you can see who has watched it, their grade, and then who already turned it in. Now, a con about this application is that students might not have internet at home, and they will not be able to see the lesson or the video. But a pro is that students can keep learning outside of the classroom and without the teacher's help.
So that is a wrap up for a video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.